Female reproductive system MCQs with answers. 1. Which of the following is not a part of the female reproductive system? A. Ovary, B. Uterus, C. Testis, D. Vagina. Answer, C. Testis. 2. How many ovaries does a female typically have? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer, B. 2. 3. What is the function of the fallopian tubes? A. Egg production, B. Fertilization site, C. Fetus development, D. Hormone production. Answer, B. Fertilization site. 4. Where does implantation of the fertilized egg occur? A. Ovary, B. Uterus, C. Fallopian tube, D. Vagina. Answer, B. Uterus. 5. Which organ produces female gametes? A. Vagina, B. Ovary, C. Uterus, D. Cervix. Answer, B. Ovary. 6. Which structure connects the uterus to the external genitalia? A. Fallopian tube, B. Ovary, C. Vagina, D. Cervix. Answer, C. Vagina. 7. What is the narrow passage forming the lower end of the uterus called? A. Ovary, B. Urethra, C. Cervix, D. Vagina. Answer, C. Cervix. 8. Which female organ serves as the birth canal? A. Ovary, B. Uterus, C. Vagina, D. Cervix. Answer, C. Vagina. 9. The outermost part of the female genitalia is called the A. Labia, B. Vagina, C. Cervix, D. Ovary. Answer, A. Labia. 10. Which of the following is also called the womb? A. Ovary, B. Cervix, C. Vagina, D. Uterus. Answer, D. Uterus. 11. Which hormone is primarily responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics? A. Testosterone, B. Estrogen, C. Oxytocin, D. Insulin. Answer, B. Estrogen. 12. Which hormone triggers ovulation? A. LH, B. FSH, C. Progesterone, D. Estrogen. Answer, A. LH. 13. The hormone that maintains pregnancy is A. FSH, B. Estrogen, C. Progesterone, D. LH. Answer, C. Progesterone. 14. The menstrual cycle usually lasts about A. 15 days, B. 21 days, C. 28 days, D. 35 days. Answer, C. 28 days. 15. Which hormone causes the thickening of the uterine lining? A. LH, B. Estrogen, C. FSH, D. Testosterone. Answer, B. Estrogen. 16. Which hormone stimulates the growth of follicles in the ovaries? A. LH, B. Progesterone, C. FSH, D. Oxytocin. Answer, C. FSH. 17. What is the average duration of menstrual bleeding? A. 1 to 2 days, B. 3 to 5 days, C. 6 to 7 days, D. 8 to 10 days. Answer, B. 3 to 5 days. 18. Ovulation occurs around which day of a 28-day cycle? A. Day 1, B. Day 7, C. Day 14, D. Day 21. Answer, C. Day 14. 19. What triggers the start of menstruation? A. High estrogen, B. High LH, C. Drop in progesterone, D. Rise in FSH. Answer, C. Drop in progesterone. 20. Which phase follows ovulation in the menstrual cycle? A. Follicular phase, B. Menstrual phase, C. Luteal phase, D. Ovulatory phase. Answer, C. Luteal phase. 21. Where does fertilization usually take place? A. Uterus, B. Vagina, C. Ovary, D. Fallopian tube. Answer, D. Fallopian tube. 22. What is the union of sperm and egg called? A. Implantation, B. Fertilization, C. Ovulation, D. Conception. Answer, B. Fertilization. 23. The fertilized egg is called A. Embryo, B. Fetus, C. Zygote, D. Blastula. Answer, C. Zygote. 24. How long is the average human pregnancy? A. 30 weeks, B. 36 weeks, C. 40 weeks, D. 45 weeks. Answer, C. 40 weeks. 25. Which hormone is detected in pregnancy tests? A. Estrogen, B. LH, C. HCG, D. FSH. Answer, C. HCG. 26. What develops into the placenta? A. Ovary, B. Uterus lining, C. Zygote, D. Chorion. Answer, D. Chorion. 27. The organ that provides oxygen and nutrients to the fetus is the A. Ovary, B. Uterus, C. Placenta, D. Cervix. Answer, C. Placenta. 28. Which hormone helps in milk production? A. Estrogen, B. Oxytocin, C. Prolactin, D. Progesterone. Answer, C. Prolactin. 29. Which hormone causes uterine contractions during labor? A. Estrogen, B. LH, C. Prolactin, D. Oxytocin. Answer, D. Oxytocin. 30. The fluid that surrounds and protects the fetus is A. Blood plasma, B. Synovial fluid, C. Amniotic fluid, D. Cerebrospinal fluid. Answer, C. Amniotic fluid. 31. At what age does puberty typically begin in girls? A. 5 to 6 years, B. 8 to 13 years, C. 14 to 18 years, D. 20 to 25 years. Answer, B. 8 to 13 years. 32. The first menstrual period is called A. Menopause, B. Ovulation, C. Menarche, D. Fertilization. Answer, C. Menarche. 33. Which of the following is a secondary sexual characteristic in females? A. Facial hair, B. Deep voice, C. Breast development, D. Increased muscle mass. Answer, C. Breast development. 34. The cessation of menstrual cycles is known as A. Menarche, B. Menstruation, C. Menopause, D. Ovulation. Answer, C. Menopause. 35. During puberty, which gland stimulates hormone production in the ovaries? A. Thyroid, B. Pituitary, C. Adrenal, D. Pineal. Answer, B. Pituitary. 36. Painful menstruation is called A. Amenorrhea, B. Menorrhagia, C. Dysmenorrhea, D. Oligomenorrhea. Answer, C. Dysmenorrhea. 37. Absence of menstruation is called A. Dysmenorrhea, B. Amenorrhea, C. Menopause, D. Ovulation. Answer, B. Amenorrhea. 38. Excessive menstrual bleeding is known as A. Oligomenorrhea, B. Dysmenorrhea, C. Menorrhagia, D. Amenorrhea. Answer, C. Menorrhagia. 39. Which infection affects the female reproductive organs? A. PID, pelvic inflammatory disease, B. Asthma, C. Diabetes, D. Hypertension. Answer, A. PID. 40. Which test screens for cervical cancer? A. Blood test, B. Pap smear, C. MRI, D. Ultrasound. Answer, B. Pap smear. 41. Which part of the female reproductive system releases the egg? A. Uterus, B. Ovary, C. Vagina, D. Fallopian tube. Answer, B. Ovary. 42. Which hormone surges to trigger the release of the egg? A. FSH, B. LH, C. Progesterone, D. Estrogen. Answer, B. LH. 43. The zygote becomes an embryo after how many days? A. 1 day, B. 3 to 4 days, C. 7 to 8 days, D. 10 days. Answer, C. 7 to 8 days. 44. Which structure stores the female egg before ovulation? A. Corpus luteum, B. Follicle, C. Cervix, D. Placenta. Answer, B. Follicle. 45. Which hormone supports the uterine lining after ovulation? A. FSH, B. LH, C. Progesterone, D. Oxytocin. Answer, C. Progesterone. 46. After releasing the egg, the ruptured follicle becomes the A. Zygote, B. Corpus luteum, C. Embryo, D. Placenta. Answer, B. Corpus luteum. 47. Which hormone prevents ovulation during pregnancy? A. Estrogen, B. Progesterone, C. FSH, D. LH. Answer, B. Progesterone. 48. The fertilized egg attaches to the uterus lining during A. Ovulation, B. Implantation, C. Menstruation, D. Fertilization. Answer, B. Implantation. 49. The release of milk from mammary glands is triggered by A. Prolactin, B. Oxytocin, C. Estrogen, D. LH. Answer, B. Oxytocin. 50. Which part of the brain regulates the menstrual cycle via hormone signals? A. Cerebellum, B. Medulla, C. Hypothalamus, D. Hippocampus. Answer, C. Hypothalamus.